Critique. To evaluate in a detailed and analytical way. It implies a more in-depth analysis than a simple review or opinion. Commonly used in academic, artistic, and professional settings where detailed feedback is valuable. The professor asked us to critique the article. She will critique your presentation before the final show. They were asked to critique each other's work in the workshop. He loves to critique movies on his blog. The editor will critique the manuscript before it's published.